Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle, cleaning one mess up at a time. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. So today's video is all about new cleaning tools that I purchased online, and if I can incorporate them in my everyday cleaning routine. So I'm going to test them out for you, show you exactly how they work, and if it's definitely worth your purchase or not. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you consider hitting that subscribe button because I want to take you on my messy journey because my channel is dedicated to DIYs, how-to videos, and cleaning motivation. So let's jump in and get to the cleaning with these weird, unusual gadgets. Today I'm sporting some fashionable dust mop slippers with microfiber bottoms. Just slide these on and walk around your house to pick up any dust or debris. I'll link everything below in the description box for you, and I'm also going to give you my final thoughts at the end of the video, how I felt about each product and if it's worth your purchase. If you don't feel like sporting these slippers around the house, you can definitely pop them on top of your mop head and clean the floors like I am doing here. Here's a shot of the mop head after I finished cleaning my floors, and you can see there's a bit of dust and hair stuck in the mop. It did do the job, but I was expecting a little bit more debris caught up in the microfibers. Today to wash my dishes, I'm sporting these very fashionable gray Magic Silicone house cold cleaning gloves. They can be used for scrubbing around the house because they have really soft bristles on the bottom of each palm. You can also use them to bathe your pets, clean your bathrooms, as well as scrub your fruits. The gloves worked up a great lather with the soap, but I noticed as I was washing my dishes, everything became super slippery and I had to hold on to each item extra careful because I was scared they're going to pop in my hands and slide away. So that's one of the things I noticed right away, that it could be a little bit more difficult to grasp onto your dishes as you're washing. Today on my fan, I'm using a micro swipe ceiling fan duster with click lock features. There is a handle that is universal to other cleaning items in this family of cleaning tools, but I opted not to buy it because I knew that I can just hop on my ottoman and easily reach my fan. But if you are looking for an attachment, there's definitely one available to go along with this duster. Next up, I have to clean my California shutters, and I'm testing out a new window and blind cleaner. You receive 2 clamps as well as 5 removable microfiber sleeves to put onto your clamps, and the intention is to have all 3 clamps to clean different parts of your shutters simultaneously. But my California shutters were too far apart, so I was only able to use the top and bottom of 2 of the clamps to clean my shades. Next, I'm testing out the Magnetic Spot Scrubber Magic Magnetic Glass Spot Scrubber made out of soft silicone. The intention is to be able to clean wine decanters or very narrow glassware that it's really difficult to get your hand in, or a sponge. So I'm testing it out on one of my beer glasses to see if it actually works. So you just drop 1/2 of the magnetic part into the glass, and then you reattach it with the outside magnet, and you scrub up and down throughout the glass to scrub the inside. This is my first fail of my cleaning gadgets, and the magnets are very powerful, but it actually works against one another because the base is not secure to the outside magnet, causing it to continuously pop off, and it was really difficult to continue cleaning once it popped off because it kept falling off each time I tried to go up and down with the magnet. I was most excited to try this product out just because it was cool to look at, and it actually has a cool name. It's the Angry Mama Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner that easily cleans the crud in minutes with steam using vinegar and water. So all you have to do is disassemble Mama's hair as well as remove her face and pour in vinegar to the vinegar line, followed by water to the water line. You can also add a few drops of essential oils or lemon juice just to freshen up the smell of your microwave as it's cleaning. With the Angry Mama now placed in the microwave, all you have to do is set your timer on your microwave for 7 minutes and let the mama do her magic. When the cleaning cycle is finished, make sure to remove Mama by her arms because the rest of her body could be very hot. I noticed that the entire contents of her body with the vinegar and water was totally gone and it was steamed inside of the microwave. So now I'm going in, I'm just using a microfiber cloth to slowly clean all the parts of my microwave and clean away all the debris and gunk that was stuck on before. I'm using my very stylish silicone magic gloves once again to clean the glass tray from my microwave, and it was actually pretty convenient just putting a bit of soap on the gloves and getting a good lather to get a good scrubbing of my glass tray before putting it back in my microwave. Here's an after shot of using the Angry Mama for one cycle in the microwave. My microwave was quite dirty, but I just want to show you the results after one cycle. There is still a little bit of debris and some gunk still left on, but I could probably use a second cycle to totally get everything removed from my microwave. So let's run through each product and I'll go through my least favorite to my most favorite. And my least favorite, self-explanatory, magnetic brush, cool concept, but it fell apart quite too easily. I like the idea of having the microfiber slippers just to slide on and collect any dust or hair on the floor while I'm walking around the house, but these particular slippers have way too many gaps in between the microfiber that don't pick up any hair or debris, so I didn't find that it locked and trapped in the dust as much as I hoped for. I like the shape of the ceiling fan duster. It fit around the blades really nicely and very easily. I did find there was a little bit of fallout as I was dusting that didn't get trapped in the microfiber, but overall it did the job, and I will be using these for future cleaning in my everyday cleaning routine. I like the silicone magic gloves. I found they're a little bit too big, so if you have a smaller hand, they could be a little bit loose, but I do like the fact that the scrubbers are really nice and soft and not abrasive, and there's so many versatile ways you can use these gloves around the house, so definitely something I'll be using in the future for cleaning. I really like the Angry Mama. It did a great job of loosening up all the debris inside my microwave, so I'll definitely like to use this the next time I clean my microwave, and I think it's such a cool concept, and it does really do the job, and it makes cleaning my microwave so much more easier. I'm actually quite surprised that the blind duster is my favorite. Even though the clamps don't fit all the way through all my shutters at the same time, they still clean the back and the front really well, and I think I'll be using these for future cleaning to speed up the cleaning process. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up on your way out. And just as a reminder, I upload my new videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So until then, I'll see you next Sunday.